In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email height in Microsoft Outlook quickly and efficiently as part of our 2025 guide. Whether you're trying to make your emails more visually appealing or simply need to fit everything on a page more neatly, adjusting the line spacing can make a world of difference. Let's dive into each step to ensure you have a smooth experience. First, begin by opening your Outlook application. Once you have accessed your inbox, navigate to the top left corner and look for the button labeled New Mail. Click on it, and a new email window will open up, ready for you to compose your message. In the new email window, type in the recipient's email address where it says To. Ensure that you're inputting the correct address to avoid any delivery issues later on. Next, move to the subject line and add a relevant title that summarizes the content of your email succinctly. This helps the recipient quickly understand the purpose of your email at a glance. With the recipient and subject lines filled out, it's now time to focus on the main body of your message. Go ahead and type out the content you wish to convey. Once you have completed your message and are satisfied with its content, take a moment to highlight all of the text within the email. This will allow us to make adjustments to the formatting. Direct your attention to the top toolbar of the email editor. You should see various formatting options. Look specifically for the icon or menu labeled as spacing or something similar, depending on your version of Outlook. This feature will allow us to adjust the line spacing of your text, which directly affects the email height. Upon selecting the spacing tool, you'll be presented with multiple options such as single, 1.5 lines, double, exactly, or multiple. Each option changes the amount of space between lines in your email, so choose the one that best suits your needs. If in doubt, test out a few options to see which one enhances the readability of your email without taking up too much space. Before sending off your perfectly spaced email, take a moment to double check everything. Review the content, the recipient's address, and the subject line to ensure all information is correct and ready for dispatch. Now that everything looks good, find the Send button, usually located near the top left corner of the email window or at the bottom beside the recipient line. Click Send, and off your email goes, impeccably formatted and ready for your recipient to view. And there you have it. Changing the email height in Microsoft Outlook is simple with just a few adjustments to the line spacing. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tips in our 2025 guide series.